Holy crap. This.
Get a good hold on that sucker. Oh man.
Not exactly sure what kind of lizard this is. I didn't really do my research on my lizards, but look at that patterning. It's not a western fence. I don't know. There's so many different kinds of lizards here. Look at that coloration on its side. Finally got one of these little dudes. Holy crap. They are quick as can be. That little long tail, it's as long as his body. See, he's kind of already broken it off a couple times. Or no, that's him shedding. He's in the middle of shedding. I'm not trying to squeeze him too much. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. He's breathing real hard. Alright, buddy. Well, if you guys know what kind of lizard this is, let me know. It's my lifer. I just heard another one. So, alright, buddy. Here you go. Wow. Just gone. Damn, that's a collared lizard. You recording?
Yeah.
That's a collared lizard.
He's under that rock.
Oh, yeah, he is.
If I were you, I would just sling the rock.
He is gonna be fast.
Jesus. Oh, right here.
Where? Where'd he go? Damn. Whew, that was a big boy.
Look at that thing on the ground.
What?
That's big.
Fuck that, dude. That's a tarantula hawk. Oh my god. Wow. Nothing there. There it is. Sloan Conservation Area, Valley of Fire. Red rock stick. They can actually squirt blood out of their eye. Is a California king snake. What is this day? So we found over there. It looks like a scene out of Breaking Bad.
It really does.
Like an abandoned thing, and then this. People come out here and shoot. When we were on our way up here, we saw a little kangaroo mouth thing. Holy crap.
Wow. I mean, this is crazy. Just left everything here. Looks like they just picked up and left. And they left their washer and dryer. Okay. Yep, look, they were making meth. Look.
Alright, so what we have here is a very small scorpion. Now, I'm not sure, I'm not really good with my scorpion species. Looking like a juvenile. I know there are bark scorpions that can kill you. And I don't know if that is this guy or not. But wow. This kind of sandy stuff too is like where we'd find areas where sidewinders could be as well. Look at him.
Oh, he is so mad.
Whew. You alright, buddy? I don't know what kind he is, so I don't want to piss him off too much, but wow.
Scorpions are so cool.
First scorpion out here, that's pretty awesome. We're thinking that this is a old abandoned mine shaft, which if it is, be a good place for snakes to possibly go. Well, it looks like they never got done with it.
Or they filled it in.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go down in it. Just in case there's like, that boulder gives way.
Oh, you mean it seems sketchy? Yeah, you're right, I shouldn't do it. That's what I do. Oh, so there could be snakes down here.
And that, my friends, is why this camera has a zoom.
Yeah, I'd stick with the zoom. I wouldn't try this. Hollow.
Yeah. It's because it's a covered up mine shaft.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah.
We gave it a look-see. Oh my God.
I don't know if it looks like much, but that's probably 80 feet down.
Give you an idea. Yeah. Goes around. Road goes up there too.
There's so much cruising. Let's go up here.
Lord, look, more abandoned things to... I guess that's that other road that whips around there.
Yeah.
You can flip those, there might be something under there. There's something running down there. I just saw something take off in those bushes. Ah, it's a bird. He's hopping from bush to bush. Yeah, let's just go ahead. We'll pull the Jeep around and we'll go check out down there. And cause there's some boards and stuff to flip. Might find some lizards or something under there. So I think that might be the best plan. If we can just get down this thing without killing ourselves in the process, because we're accident prone. Phew. Nothing. Not that first. Nothing there. There it is. There's rocks and stuff in there. You probably wouldn't. Almost. Alright, so now we are out here at Sloan Conservation Area, where we've had plenty of people tell us that there's been numerous reports of rattlesnakes. Like, apparently they were just crawling all over the place out here. Like, people have to go to training for their dogs so they know how to deal with rattlesnakes in and around the area, like their houses and stuff, because they're so bad over here. And apparently there's Padman and Mojaves that they have out here. So we're gonna hit it hard. We gotta park on the street though, because they're getting ready to close this thing down apparently. So it should be good. Hopefully we get something. That's grasshoppers. I thought I saw a lizard.
You and your lizards.
They're everywhere. Alright. Oh, we took the tops off. Yeah.